Hello Bodgers, have you ever had, or do any of you have, a Navara D40? But if you've ever had the airbag light flashing like this, and you're thinking, ah crap, how do I get rid of it? Code reader? No, it doesn't work. Unless you maybe got a high end one at a garage. There is another way around it, so I'm going to show you hopefully how. Remember to like and subscribe if this works. One Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi, 5 Mississippi. Let's see. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi, 5 Mississippi. I know you sound insane when you do it. You don't have to do the counting, but you have to do 5 seconds, so best way to do it. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi, 5 Mississippi. Let's see if it works. It should be slow counts. Let's see. 1, 2. I don't think you have to start it to find out if this works. We'll have a look. Is that airbag light going to go out? And voila!